your home's secret weapon, the Presale Deep Clean. Want to sell your home faster? And for more? There's one powerful, often overlooked strategy that can make or break your campaign. And it has nothing to do with square footage or suburb trends. It's the Presale Deep Clean. More than just vacuuming and wiping down benches, this is a top-to-bottom transformation that prepares your home to shine in a competitive market. Let's explore how a professional presale clean works, why it matters, and the massive difference it can make to your bottom line. First impressions equals buyer decisions. Within seconds of stepping through the door, buyers make judgments, many of them unconscious. A clean home creates immediate emotional appeal. It whispers, "This place is cared for. It's ready. You can trust it." Dust, grime, or odours. They break that spell. Fast. Buyers start seeing work, not potential. They imagine spending weekends scrubbing, not relaxing. And their offer? It reflects that hesitation. Why DIY often falls short? You might be thinking, can't I just do it myself? Sure, but here's the truth. Most homeowners clean for comfort, not for presentation. We clean what we see, not what a buyer notices. Professional presale cleaning targets the forgotten zones that matter most during a showing. Dust on skirting boards, fingerprints on light switches, built-up grime behind appliances, bathroom mould, cobwebs in corners, stains on carpets, mildew in window tracks. It's these small things that quietly influence big decisions. What a presale clean covers. A comprehensive deep clean goes well beyond the surface. It includes bathrooms scrubbed top to bottom, kitchens degreased, detailed and odour-free windows, crystal clear inside and out, doors, walls, light switches and architraves wiped clean, floors polished, vacuumed or steam cleaned, air vents dusted, outdoor entry areas refreshed. It's not about perfection, it's about creating a space that feels ready. Why it's worth every cent. Think of a presale clean as an investment, not an expense. Professionally cleaned homes. Attract more views online, make a strong impact at open inspections. Stay top of mind after viewings. Often sell faster. Regularly command higher offers. In many cases, the difference can be thousands or tens of thousands more on your final sale price. All because the home felt fresh, move-in ready, and low maintenance. When should you book it? Before your real estate photography. That's when your home needs to look its absolute best. Those images live online 24/7 and can make or break your listing's traffic. Ideally, 1 to 2 days before your shoot. Then, if needed, do a quick refresh before your first open house to keep everything looking flawless. And don't forget, good cleaners book out in advance. If you're selling during peak seasons, like spring, it pays to schedule early. Final thought. Small cost, massive return. In the whirlwind of selling, valuations, agents, contracts, it's easy to overlook cleaning. But this is more than hygiene. It's psychology. It's perception. It's power. A professional presale clean removes hesitation, builds trust, and allows buyers to picture their life in your home. And when they feel that, they offer more, and they act faster. So before you open the doors to buyers, open the door to opportunity. Deep clean, impress, and sell with confidence.